Year 2090, Mars Colony. In the bustling Martian colony, the Akinwale family had become revered figures, known for their remarkable contributions to the Martian frontier. Their journey continued as they sought to leave a lasting legacy, not only for their own family, but for the entire human civilization on Mars. Tunde Akinwale, the visionary patriarch, had a grand vision. He dreamed of building a magnificent structure that would serve as a symbol of unity and progress for all Martians. Inspired by the ancient wonders of Earth, he planned to construct a Martian equivalent of the Great Pyramid, an architectural marvel that would stand the test of time. The entire Akinwale family embraced this ambitious endeavor. Nkechi, with her unwavering determination and resourcefulness, became the project manager, ensuring that every detail was meticulously executed. Ife, now a brilliant architect, designed the structure with a blend of Martian aesthetics and sustainable technology. Chidi, with his engineering prowess, oversaw the construction process, ensuring the integration of cutting-edge Martian materials. The colony rallied behind the Akinwales, eager to be part of this monumental undertaking. Engineers, laborers, and artists all lent their expertise, dedicating themselves to creating a testament to the human spirit on the Red Planet. As the construction progressed, the pyramid rose from the Martian soil, defying gravity with its elegant design. Its structure incorporated advanced solar panels, harnessing the planet's energy to power the colony. The translucent outer shell allowed natural light to illuminate the interior, creating a sense of awe and wonder. The pyramid became a center for cultural exchange, scientific exploration, and communal gatherings. It housed museums showcasing Martian history and art galleries displaying works inspired by the Martian landscape. The Akinwale family's Nigerian heritage also found expression within the pyramid, as vibrant celebrations of music, dance, and storytelling became a cherished tradition. As the pyramid neared completion, an inaugural ceremony was held, attended by Martians from all corners of the planet. The Akinwales stood proudly at the pyramid's pinnacle, their hearts filled with gratitude for the unwavering support and collective effort that had brought their dream to fruition. During the ceremony, Tunde took the stage, his voice echoing through the grand hall. He spoke of the indomitable spirit that had brought humanity to Mars, the resilience that had overcome countless challenges, and the unity that had transformed the barren planet into a thriving civilization. Our pyramid stands not only as a testament to our achievements, but as a symbol of what we can accomplish together, Tunde declared. Let it inspire future generations to reach for the stars, to embrace the unknown, and to build a future where humanity flourishes across the cosmos. The crowd erupted in applause, and as the pyramid's exterior lights illuminated the Martian night, it became a beacon of hope and progress, a testament to the human legacy on Mars. Years passed, and the Akinwale family's pyramid stood as a revered landmark, a shining jewel in the Martian skyline. It became a destination for tourists, researchers, and visionaries from all corners of the universe, each seeking inspiration from the Martian marvel. The legacy of the Akinwales echoed through the generations, inspiring new pioneers to push the boundaries of Martian exploration. The pyramid became a hub of innovation and knowledge, driving advancements in science, technology, and sustainable living. The Akinwale family, now elders in the thriving Martian civilization, looked upon their creation with a sense of fulfillment. They had etched their names into Martian history, leaving a legacy that would endure for millennia. As they stood atop the pyramid, gazing at the bustling Martian cities and the bright future that lay ahead, the Akinwales knew that their journey had not only shaped the destiny of their own family, but had also contributed to the remarkable human story unfolding on the Red Planet, a story that would continue to captivate the imaginations of generations to come.